Basically, the problem with the pilot. He lied to you and won't stay lit. Something along those lines.
Yeah, he just I just talked to him.
Oh, good deal.
So.
He installed this today?
Yeah, he just finished anchoring it. Was in the process of lighting it, and it's not happening. But I don't have any more details on it. I kind of see it out of its way. And even if I had observed, I probably wouldn't have been much more informative.
Just you know, like a Class B contractor, you know. So
you're a general contractor?
I'm personally not. I work for a general.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we do everything, you know.
Nice.
You name it, we do
As long as somebody's paying for it, you'll do it.
Yeah, pretty much, huh?
Well, John, I'll stay out of your way. I'm just in here tooling around my garage, so just call it. My name is George.
Okay, George.
Whatever you need, all right?
All right. Yeah, you got it. So, doing a service call for Dave. I was actually on my way to meet him to do an installation, and he did one just in front of that installation. So now I am he's got a problem with the water heater, so now I'm here fixing the water heater. Let me get you guys out. So I tried to push the pilot button in, but it's not really going in. So I'm going to change the cover. So once again, fixing one of Dave's water heaters. That's better. Yeah, well, I can't see anything. There's too much sun in my face. Seems to be blinking. Normal operation.
Are you familiar with any of the construction permitting requirements?
A little bit.
You know, there's this. I don't know if you drive up down Market much, but there's a Taco Bell on Market Street right around 32nd. You familiar with that?
Do you know if he filled it up with water?
I don't know if he has or not. Yeah.
Tell me.
It looks like the water's on though, right?
Yeah, it looks like it's on.
And I see some heat coming up.
Yeah, the water heater's on. Anyway, you were saying about the.
Yeah, Taco Bell, just west of it. I think Market Road is east-west. Anyway, right next to Taco Bell, and they built a 5-story, 30-unit apartment complex with 0 parking.
Oh, I saw that place.
How
I saw that they built it out of. They built it out of storage containers too.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, they stacked them all up.
Well, you can't even tell. I wanted to take a look at it just because I mean, that seems like.
How long was it running for before? Do you know?
How long was over?
The water heater before it would shut off?
This one, he just installed it.
Okay. Well, he said he got it lit and it was running, then it shut off. So I'm trying to get an idea. Oh, okay.
It would be minutes, not long at all. Well, what are you looking for?
I'm waiting for it to shut. I'm waiting for it to do what he said it did. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he said it. He said it. He got it lit and he got it started and it was running and then it shut off.
Yeah.
And then he got it to do that a couple of times. So all I did was, because he had a real hard time pushing in the pilot button on it because the cover was cracked. So I changed the cover out so it'll function better.
Yeah, I hear you. So you changed it out?
Yeah, and it's still running. Yeah, I just changed the cover, which is like
just the cover?
just the circuit board. Yeah.
Oh, the circuit board. Okay.
Yeah, you start with what you find broken first, right?
Uh-huh.
And that was like glaringly, obviously, I couldn't get past that.
Okay.
So it seems to maybe have taken care of it.
Are you from San Diego?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you have a relative that likes to play poker that looks just like you?
My dad used to, yeah.
No, this guy's too young to be your dad.
Years and years ago. How are you, Dave? Like, my dad's still playing poker. I need to. No, he used to. Maybe I got a cousin.
You get it going?
I think it's going, yeah.
So what was it? You know that button that kind of sticks?
I changed the cover, so I replaced the cover so that button's all fixed.
Oh yeah, good, okay.
So I think
I had
that
it lit, but then it wouldn't stay on. I think the button is in there.
it probably wasn't turning the valve right.
Right,
So fortunately, I had one with me,
That's good.
so I just swapped it. So it
I
seems.
told you, man, we
Magic. I'm a
we
believer.
black and white.
David John.
That's right.
Yeah, Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
And it's black and white. That's what he's talking about.
Ebony and ivory, right?
Yeah.
I'm a big fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll overlook the rumors.
Yeah. So it's
Okay, so yeah,
it's
you're
still
gonna have your
going.
guy come put on the vent stuff tomorrow, right?
No, I thought you do it right now. But,